Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text box border color in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then issue the Excel document from the text box. This text box, the change border color. Firstly, click for the text box option. Now going to the formatting option. Now click for the shape outline option. Then choose color from the text box. Then show the text box is the sense text box border color is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my